The Memorandum of Association, MOA, is the basic and most important document of a company. It defines the scope, powers, and limits within which the company can operate. Simple meaning: MOA tells what a company can do and cannot do. 2. Explanation of the statement. Memorandum of Association is the area beyond which the action of the company cannot go. Inside the area, the shareholders may make such arrangements for their own government as they think fit. This statement explains two important ideas. A. MOA as boundary, limit. MOA sets the outer limits of company's activities. Company cannot act beyond these limits. Simple understanding. It is like a boundary line. The company must stay within it. B. Freedom inside the boundary. Within these limits, shareholders can make rules for management. These rules are contained in Articles of Association, AOA. Simple understanding. Inside the boundary, members are free to manage the company as they wish. 3. Contents of MOA. Name clause, name of company. Registered office clause, location. Object clause, main objectives. Liability clause, liability of members. Capital clause, share capital. Most important, object clause defines the limits of company's actions. 4. Doctrine of ultra vires. If a company does something beyond its MOA, it is called ultra vires, beyond powers. Effect. Such acts are void, invalid. Cannot be ratified even by shareholders. 5. Case study, simple explanation. Ashbury Railway Carriage and Iron Co. v. Ritchie, 1875. Facts. Company's MOA allowed it to manufacture railway equipment. It entered into a contract to finance railway construction, which was outside its objects. Issue. Whether the contract was valid. Judgment. Court held the contract void because it was beyond MOA, ultra vires. Conclusion. The statement correctly explains that MOA acts as a boundary for company's powers. The company cannot go beyond it, and any such act is void.